Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about when and how to plant garlic. The best time to plant garlic is in the late fall, which is now. And another thing to consider is you want to make sure that you plant your garlic in a really well draining soil that has been recently amended. So you can put mulch in there, fertilizer, but you just most importantly want to make sure that it's a well draining soil. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your garlic, and this is the root side, and this is the pointy side for lack of a better term. And you're going to want to put the garlic in with the pointy side up, and you're going to dig down about 2 to 3 inches. Just stick it in there and cover it up with about 2 inches of soil. And I'm just going to go through, you spread them about 6 inches apart. Like I said, dig down, pointy side up, dig down about 2 to 3 inches down in the soil and cover it up with about 2 inches of soil. And just go about and plant however many of these you want. I would go through and plant about 12 to 15. And the last step that I would do is I'm going to get some fresh hay and put down about 6 to 8 inches of that fresh hay straw. And that will add an extra layer of protection in the really cold winter months. And another thing, it's going to compress down about 2 inches through the winter, and in the spring it's going to add a layer of protection for weeds. So you're not going to spend all your time weeding. So I hope that's helpful. If you haven't tried planting garlic, do it. It's simple, and now is the time of year to get it done.